That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Splendid shot, and it flies to the boundary for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he holds to this field. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. They are calling for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets. There is a fielder at cover. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is lovely timing from the batsman. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Missed that completely. Pace. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. He has left that one alone. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles.
He has left that one alone.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, shot, but only a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
There is a fielder at cover.
That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Nudges it for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's well met. Did not, neighbors.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That is a very quick signal taken. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four.
Can you do it again? Strokes it into the gap for a single.
They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge-of-the-seat thriller here. Straight up in the air, and that's a six. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at cover.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
White ball signaled by the umpire. They should look at varying their pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That's six. He picked up the length very early.
And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They bowled good lines all day. In the end, the target was a little...